Oh, that's so cute. Yeah, that's so cute.
Guys, what if Cody was a dog for the day? We'll do it.
Big surprise for the kids. We'll see how they react.
They are gonna be so excited. It's something that they've always wanted. I can't wait to show them. It's a big, big surprise. Comment below what you guys think it is.
Kids, I got a surprise for you.
What is it? What is it? It's moving.
Open it up.
Oh, it's a dog! Come here. Oh, holy moly! Here, never mind. We'll just tilt the box down. That's heavy. He is so heavy. Hi! Doggy! Doggy! What do you think of me? He's so cute. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Thank you. Is he gonna grow up to be a big dog? Yeah, look at the head. Totally. Where's he going? Where's he going? He likes that. We should put this in his doghouse. He can just run through, and then he's gonna be in his doghouse. Run through, and he's gonna be in his doghouse. That we sure do. He likes it. Oh, he has a cute boy.
Let's just hope he doesn't do that when we try to sleep.
I'm sleeping with him. Wanna go to sleep with him, boy? Yeah. Oh no. You wanna go upstairs to my bed? I've always wanted a dog. He is so cute. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Wait, what should we name him? Yeah, what should we name him? Do you want a name, boy? Do you want a name? We can make you a color. Whiskers? No. Here, I have an idea. We're just gonna take him over there and we're gonna shout out a whole bunch of names, and then whichever one he comes to, that's gonna be his name. Let's do it, boy. Over there. Okay, Bria, stand right there. Let's see. Bob. Bob. No. Toast? Come here, Toast. Whiskers? Whiskers? What? Can I have whiskers? No. Blue? Here, Blue. Come on. No, not Blue. There's so much names, but I can't think of dogs' names. We could do Cody's name. Cody? Cody? He likes it. He likes it. Hi, Cody. Cody. Oh, so cute. Let's see if he'll come to me. Come on, Cody. Cody, come on. Oh, so cute.
Oh no! Take him to the bathroom. Get him outside. Get him outside.
Go. Fast.
Potty training, and so it begins.
I hope Brinley's not as scared.
Hey, Cody, stay.
Stay.
I hope you guys aren't afraid of dogs. Get Cody away.
Here, Cody. Cody, calm.
Did they get a new dog?
Brindley, are you afraid of dogs?
Trying to feed him.
Here, Cody, here. Cody, calm down, Cody.
Pet the doggy. Just pet the doggy. Pet right here. There's the dog. Oh.
Hey, Cody.
Hey, no, off the couch. Off the couch.
Cody, stay still. Cody, stay still. Here, Cody, right here. Cody. No.
Oh, don't scare Brindley.
Calm, Cody.
Do you like the doggy, Brindley? You like the doggy?
Licks.
Oh, no licking.
No licking. Dog. We're gonna play a game.
Oh no. Oh no! Watch your cards! Oh, doggy!
Doggy, come on.
Come on!
Out.
Whose cards are
Out.
these?
Oh man, we gotta start over.
I had so much good cards. Yeah.
Mikkel, show us all your new haircut
Let me just see this.
and style we just did today.
Was it a good idea that we bought a dog?
Yes. Let's play fetch. Go get it, boy. Come on, bring it back. Bring it back. Good boy. Down. Good boy. You're a twat. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, boy. Let's go. Go get it. Boy, Cody, give it back. Let's go. Grab it. Here, give it to me, Cody. I want to fetch. Cody, give it to me. Good boy. Here. Let's see where you can throw it. Ready, boy? Good boy.
Hey Bria, I really liked having a dog.
Yeah, but it was fun having a brother, Cody.
Yeah.
I really miss him. How could we get him back?
Yeah, I think I'd rather have a brother Cody than a dog Cody.
Yeah, me too. Let's try saying, look up and say his name 3 times. And then I think he'll come back.
Okay, let's try it.
Please,
Cody, Cody.
He's getting up. What's he doing?
What's I doing?
Cody, you're back! Is this really you?
Yeah.
Finally, Cody's back! What?
Now let's have the
What?
videos.
What? What?
No, Bria.
Just kidding! Prank your guys!
I'm about to Bria. Wait. Bria. Wait.
What the heck?
I love you so much, Cody.
Me too. We'll rather have you than a dog any day.
Give a big thumbs up
Comment below.
and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Woof.
Comment below if you have a pet dog and what his or her name is. We added more names to our shout out jar. So we're going to choose one name and we're going to see whose name it is. And it is this one. It is Carlos. Hi, Carlos. Thanks for watching.